Carbide type. Carbide inserts geometry can be divided into 3 basic styles. Optimized for several operations, including roughing, finishing, medium. Here are some diagrams that will explain each geometrical shape's working area, based on geometrical chip breaking with the depth of cut. Roughing includes a high depth of cut and feed rate combinations. This process requires the most increased edge security. Finishing includes watery depths of cuts and low feed rates. This process requires low cutting forces. Medium. This operation includes a wide range of deep cuts and feed rate combinations. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.